Tea time with Aaron. Get it? Tea time with Aaron. I'm Aaron. Welcome to the channel. For the love of tech, we're having some tea together. What is going on, tech lovers? I love you. You love me. You love YouTube videos. I love YouTube videos. We are a match made in YouTube heaven, and I don't know where my glasses are right now, so I'm not wearing them. I'm spilling the tea. I am spilling the tea. So I reached out to Samsung and I asked them directly if they knew if there was an ETA on the camera update. This was their response. Hey Aaron, thanks for reaching out to us. I'm sorry for the delay in our response, but I'll be happy to assist you. In this case, we're not able to speculate when your device will be receiving an update, since updates are being released by the carriers in waves. And then they gave me a little bit of troubleshooting tips on how I can go and fix my camera. So we're gonna do this together. We're gonna troubleshoot and we're gonna see if their solution actually can have an impact on my autofocus of my camera. So we're gonna go ahead and dig right into that. And we have our little Android guy here, our favorite subject when trying to autofocus stuff. So we're gonna first start off by just taking a couple pictures. So let's just see. The autofocus problem is still happening like it was in my video the other day. Yeah, it's still kind of there, isn't it? Yeah, it hasn't really gone away. It's still there. Hello, I gotta tap to get it to focus. That time I had to tap it to get it to autofocus. So let's go ahead and follow their given instructions and see if we might be able to gain some better autofocus, I guess. So it says from the home screen, swipe up or swipe down from the center of the display to access the apps. Pretty easy, right? We know how to access our apps, thanks Samsung. And then it says locate, then select the appropriate apps and tap storage. So here's the camera. I located storage, there it is. Clear cache. And then it wants me to clear the data. So, okay, so we just cleared the cache and we cleared the data, and let's see if that has any impact on our autofocus. So there you have it. As of right now, Samsung has provided me with a fix that I feel didn't really do much of anything. And their answer is updates are being rolled out by the carrier in waves. My response was, I didn't buy my phone from a carrier. I bought my phone directly from Samsung. I felt like I was gonna be getting updates directly from Samsung and a little bit quicker. That's why you buy it directly from the manufacturer versus going through a carrier. Their response to that was, have you tried the fix that we provided you? And I'm gonna go back and say, yes, I have, and it didn't do anything. So what do you guys think? Do you think that little solution they just gave me there actually helped anything? If you think it might help your phone, maybe it might. Go ahead and go into the app setting, go into the camera, go into storage, and then select clear cache and then clear data. And it's pretty simple instructions. I remembered it off the top of my head, and see if that gives you any better results. Thanks for watching the video. If you like what you saw today, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you really like what you saw, give me a thumbs up and consider sharing my content with your friends and family on social media. This is a short, quick little video. Till next time, for the love of tech, namaste.